Beats Flex earphones not charging. Fix no light issue fast. Fix 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Inspect the USB-C cable. Ensure it's not frayed or damaged. Try using a different USB-C cable to rule out a faulty cable. Test the power source. Plug the charger into a different power outlet or USB port to confirm the issue isn't with the power source. Fix 2. Perform a hard reset. Step 1. Press and hold both the volume down button on the left control module and the power button on the right control module simultaneously. Step 2. Hold them for about 15 seconds until the indicator light flashes red and white. Step 3. Release the buttons. Fix 3. Charge while resetting. Step 1. Connect the charging cable to the earphones and plug it into a power source. Step 2. Simultaneously press and hold both the volume down and power buttons for about 15 seconds until the light flashes red and white. Step 3. Release the buttons. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Dirt or debris in the charging port can prevent proper charging. Gently clean the charging port on the earphones using a dry, soft brush or compressed air. Avoid using sharp objects that could damage the port.